let's go. Let's jump on these things. Okay, let's go. Oh, look, there's some bulls over there. Let's go check them out. Come on, come on. Guys, in my way, there's a beautiful nature view outside. Let's go check it out. Let's go check it out. Pink ones over there too. Let's go. Oh guys, I forgot to show you the bulls. Come on, let's check it out. Okay guys, so these are the bulls and let's go start looking somewhere else. Alright guys, so I found these cute little flowers here. And look, it's on a hill. They're so beautiful. Look at these little. Oh, look at those white ones. And these ones are so cute. Oh, look, there's some roses over there. Let's go check them out. Look, there's so cute roses here. And they're so cute. I love them so much. Let's go check out. Oh, let's go check out that cow over there. Come on, quick. Let's go. Guys, look at that big tree. That's so big. Wow. Come on. Oh my god, this car is so cute. I love it. Wow. It looks like it's so real. I better run. Come on. Let's go see some other things out here. Okay guys, all around this park, this is my most favorite view. There's some sitting benches over here. And this is so cute. Look, there's also some big hills over there. Let's climb on it. Let me jump from it. 3, 2, 1, go. Whoa, that was high. Okay. Let's see if we can find something else around this. Alright guys, those are the swings, but we're not gonna go there because of COVID. You know how many people touched it. And let's see those flowers over there. Look at these beautiful flowers. Oh my god, they're so precious and cute. Look at this one. It's facing the grass. Hi. They're so cute. Look at those white ones. They're facing over there. And there's also some of the same ones here, but there's white too. Look, they're facing here this time. Look, these are white pink mixed with the whites too. And there's over there too. Oh, the tree. It's like my age. No bigger than me. Alright guys, there's also some benches around the whole park, every corner, and it's so relaxing. So it's a yellow one bench. Yeah. So let's see. Some more flowers. Look at these flowers. They're so cute. Oh, they're like the pink huge ones. They're so adorable. There's some birds on the sky. Look at the blue sky. Yeah, light blue. What nice color. Oh, look, there's some sparrows and eagles flying and fighting. Alright guys, this is it for the video. Hope you guys enjoy. And we have to be always close to nature because it relaxes us. And anyways, give us a big thumbs up. Subscribe. Bye!